Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn with Venky. Today, let's break down an amazing physics concept, Bernoulli's principle, in the simplest way possible. Let's go! What is Bernoulli's principle? Bernoulli's principle states that when a fluid, like air or water, moves faster, its pressure decreases. And when it moves slower, its pressure increases. Bernoulli's equation. This equation tells us that the total energy in a moving fluid remains constant. For example, in an airplane wing, air moves faster over the curved top than below the flat bottom. This creates lower pressure on top and higher pressure below, generating lift and making the plane fly. I will give another example. When you drive past a big truck at high speed, your car seems to get pulled toward it. This happens because the air between your car and the truck is moving faster, creating a low pressure zone. Meanwhile, the air on the other side of your car is moving slower, creating higher pressure, which pushes your car toward the truck. Bernoulli's principle is all around us. Here are some cool examples. Airplane wings, trains, fast cars, spray bottles, and chimneys. And that's Bernoulli's principle. From planes to trains to your everyday spray bottle, this concept is shaping the world around us. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn with Venky for more fun and easy science videos. See you in the next one.